The couple we are renting from introduced us to Melina, who introduced us to Kris, who said, "You should eat here," where we met Marta, and then sat next to Igor. Now I'm in Igor's wine cellar, drinking homemade rakia. This is how Igor makes rakia. It starts with local grapes that are brought in from just a short distance up the river. The grapes fermenting in Igor's garage cellar are
black grapes, red, I don't know.
Red,
Red grapes.
The grapes being brought in today are white.
And these grapes are from Imotski, and the name is Kuyundusha.
The grapes are trucked to the main square, loaded onto a cart, and carted to Igor's garage or cellar or laboratory. Finding Igor's manufacturing plant is not easy, and I'm not going to give the location away.
We will show you now how they do every evening. You must do every evening. What he do.
Every night you have to do this.
Yeah.
For how long?
Koliko dana?
7 do 10 dana.
7 till 10 days.
How long do you have to mix it?
Koliko dugo mišaš sada?
Sad ovo mišaš možda jedno 3-4 minuta.
3 to 5 minutes. In the old times, when you collect the grapes, you have like this, and we was the children, and then here was the small one, and my grandma wash our.
Oh, use your feet, right?
Put inside, and then we must do like this. Here, this is for grapes. Put inside, like round. Where is where wine
Crushes the grapes. Yeah. Okay.
10 days are finished.
After this, okay.
Yeah, after this, you put it inside, and then there is like a wheel, and you go and round, and then there is a wine is going under the some barrel or something like that.
Bude stavi se dole ova plastična, ima i drvena.
So, to make sure I've got this straight, collect the grapes. The grapes get crushed in here.
Yes.
And then put in the barrels, mixed every day for a few minutes, and after that 10 days, barrel go this barrel, and there is a wheel.
Presses.
Yes.
I onda this drop the rakia.
And when it's done, they use them for and then they get just white rakia. And then after that, you can take menta, you can take rosemary, you can take zhizhula, pear, lemon. You can put inside whatever you like.